What if I told you there's a rare, ancient secret hidden in a simple root that can transform your skin, erasing wrinkles, brightening dark spots, and giving you a youthful glow naturally? Stay tuned to discover the magic of Mulethi Oil, the luxury skincare ingredient you've never heard of but will never want to live without. What is Mulethi, licorice, and its ancient history? Mulethi, also known as licorice root, carries a rich and ancient history, having been used for centuries in various medicinal traditions, especially Ayurveda. This root is not just a common ingredient, it is a true natural treasure offering profound benefits for skin health and beauty. Imagine a plant that has crossed generations, valued for its unique properties and transformative power. Over the centuries, Mulethi has earned its place not only as a natural remedy but also as an essential component in skincare rituals. Its roots are rich in compounds that help lighten dark spots, reduce inflammation, and promote younger, radiant skin. It's as if nature has kept a precious secret, waiting to be discovered by those seeking deeper and more effective care. For those wanting to incorporate Mulethi into their routine, understanding its origin is fundamental. It's not just about using any oil, but about connecting with an ancestral tradition that values balance and harmony of body and mind. This connection makes using Mulethi oil not only an aesthetic experience but also a spiritual and cultural one, elevating skincare to a new level. The extraction process of Mulethi oil and its rarity. The extraction of Mulethi oil is a delicate and meticulous process that requires care to preserve all the beneficial properties of the root. Unlike common oils, Mulethi undergoes an extraction that maintains its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds intact, ensuring a high-quality and effective final product. This care and production is what makes the oil so rare and valued in the luxury cosmetics market. To extract the oil, roots are carefully selected and subjected to specific techniques such as cold pressing or steam distillation, which prevent the loss of essential nutrients. This artisanal method not only preserves the oil's purity but also enhances its potency, making every drop a concentrated source of skin benefits. It's a true masterful work that transforms a simple root into a beauty elixir. This rarity and exclusivity of Mulethi oil reflect its value and growing demand among natural and premium skincare lovers. Those seeking differentiated products know that quality starts at the source and process, and Mulethi is a perfect example. Incorporating this oil into your routine is investing in sophisticated care that goes far beyond the surface. Benefits of Mulethi oil for skin and rejuvenation. Mulethi oil is a true ally for those seeking younger, healthier, and radiant skin. Its antioxidant properties fight free radicals responsible for premature aging, helping preserve skin elasticity and firmness. Additionally, the oil has anti-inflammatory action that soothes irritation and reduces redness, making it ideal for sensitive and delicate skin. Another remarkable benefit of Mulethi oil is its ability to lighten dark spots and even out skin tone. This happens thanks to natural compounds in the root that inhibit excessive melanin production, responsible for hyperpigmentation. With continuous use, you can notice a more luminous, even, and healthy complexion, as if youth has been restored. Moreover, the oil stimulates collagen production, the protein that keeps skin firm and elastic. This action contributes to reducing fine lines and wrinkles, promoting a natural rejuvenating effect. Incorporating Mulethi oil into your skincare routine is, therefore, investing in a complete treatment that combines beauty, health, and well-being in every drop. How to use Mulethi oil in beauty and skincare rituals. Incorporating Mulethi oil into your daily skincare routine is simpler than many imagine, and the results can be surprising. An effective way is to apply a few drops of pure oil directly onto clean skin, gently massaging in circular motions to stimulate circulation and nutrient absorption. This practice not only enhances the oil's benefits but also promotes a moment of connection and self-care. Another option is to mix Mulethi oil into your favorite creams or serums, boosting their formulas with the oil's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. This combination is ideal for those seeking a more complete and personalized treatment, adapting Mulethi use to specific skin needs. Additionally, it can be incorporated into homemade facial masks, enriching the skin with essential nutrients. For those who enjoy more elaborate rituals, Mulethi oil can be used in facial massages, helping relax muscles and improve skin texture. This practice, beyond aesthetics, brings benefits to overall well-being by reducing stress and promoting a sense of rejuvenation. Thus, using the oil goes beyond beauty, becoming true integral care. Why Mulethi oil is considered a luxury in the cosmetics market. Mulethi oil is more than just an ingredient, it represents exclusivity and sophistication in the world of natural cosmetics. Its rarity, combined with the artisanal extraction process, gives it a luxury status that few oils can reach. For those seeking premium products, Mulethi offers a unique experience that blends ancient tradition with proven efficacy. Moreover, the luxury skincare market values ingredients that deliver real and visible benefits, and Mulethi oil stands out precisely for that. It caters to a demanding audience that does not compromise on quality or authenticity and seeks lasting results without sacrificing naturalness. This combination makes Mulethi a true treasure for the skin. Investing in products with Mulethi oil means investing in sophisticated and conscious care that respects nature and values well-being. It's a choice that reflects not only an aesthetic desire but also a lifestyle prioritizing balance, health, and beauty in its purest and most refined form.